Okay, this is a law of attraction secret you must try. Start with a circle in the middle of a page and write down your intention. This video, we're going to be doing the intention of money with $10,000 attracted in, but you can use this for any intention, any area of life. On the right-hand side, you're going to draw out 5 lines. These are going to be the 5 steps we're going to be taking to start attracting in and manifesting in a very consistent and more predictable way based on science rather than magic. Yeah. The first line there, what you're going to write down is your intention. You're going to write down in the present tense statement, I just now received $10,000. It's really important because remember, all time and all space are already activated at a higher dimension. It all exists at one time. So your desire is already actually here presently. Number 2, you're going to write down an end scene. In this case, we're going to see our bank balance increase by the $10,000. The end scene is what you'd see in your imagination as if the intention were already yours. So you would already see your bank balance increased, for example. In intention number 3, or point number 3, we're writing down the feeling that you would have as if this were already done in your life. So for example, if you manifested in $10,000, you might feel excited, you might feel relief, anything, fill in the blank. Number 4, to me, is the most important, and it's letting go, or what we call allowing. I'm going to dive deeper, and stick with me here. Just later in the video, we're going to dive into like how do you let and allow so you're easing your resistance and having better alignment. And number 5, you're going to repeat this exercise every day for 15 different intentions. You can do the same intention, that works too, or you could do it 15 different times, 15 different things that you're wanting. So here's the directions on what we're going to be doing. So step A here, you're going to close your eyes and go within and go to your imagination, or what is called the eye of God or eye of the universe. In letter B, you're going to start seeing your end scene to be true. So you're going to start visualizing, and you're going to see the $10,000 increase in your bank account right now. Again, remember, all time and space exists right now at a higher dimension. So you're going to that place. Letter C, you're going to start feeling it. How do you feel something to be true when it's not? How do you feel rich when you're not? You match your inner thoughts, as the great Neville Goddard would say, okay? You match your inner thought to hear people saying to you, congratulations, or like I just wrote down there, it's done, it's complete. You want to have the conversations within as if it were already done in your life, for yourself, other people congratulating you, etc. Now, letter D, how do we get into a space where we are letting and allowing? You're going to open up your eyes and realize this is not magic. It's not a sci-fi movie. This is real science. We're going to allow the bridge of events to unfold. What does that mean? Between now and the receiving of your desire, there's a bridge of incidents or a bridge of events that will unfold. It's not your job to control it. The higher mind will bring it towards you as you're taking action. What your job is to do is focus on your inner alignment while taking inspired action. And here's a mantra you can focus on. This is from Thomas Troward, the great mental scientist. It's, my mind is a center of divine operation. Say this out loud 50 times a day. Like literally, don't overthink. Don't think about how the money's going to come or where it's going to come from or when. Instead, keep your mind steadily focused on the mantra. It'll allow yourself to be in alignment rather than resistance. Now, how does this all work? It's because you're becoming a signal for what you're wanting to attract. And the thought is the electrical side, and the feeling is the magnetic side. So your thought is the electrical signal, and the feeling is what magnetizes it towards you or increases that, steps up that frequency. And then you're going to let the flow of the higher mind figure it out for you. So you're actually co-creating this, yourself and the higher mind. And all of this is actually due to the law of assumption. Really what you're doing here, as Neville Goddard also would say, law of assumption, is you are assuming that it's already complete. You're believing that it's already done, not that it will be done, that it's already been given to you. An assumption really is intention plus feeling. We assume things to be true when we have a thought, and we feel it to be true today. So you feel the presence of what you're wanting. What happens then, it drops into the subconscious mind, connected to the superconscious. And as it drops into the subconscious mind, that's when it must be created, because it's in every cell of your body. It's in the superconscious, connected to the supermind, connected to all people and all things, and connected to the higher mind. Higher mind will bring it towards you. To sum all this up, there's one word for it called absorption. Essentially, you're getting your intention, your desire, your goal to be absorbed by your entire consciousness. Your conscious, your subconscious, everything about you, which is really your core identity. It's your core self-concept. It's your core self-image. It's who you are, who you believe yourself to be. And we need to change that part, and that's what this exercise is designed to do. And you keep doing this every day, it becomes a practice. You're practicing the vibration of your desires and shifting what my first mentor, Bob Proctor, called the paradigm. But it's called absorption. Now, if you want some more step-by-step course material on this, we have a course called the Manifestation Accelerator. There's a link in the description below. I think you'll really enjoy it. Check it out if you'd like. It gives you step-by-step directions, exactly what to do, how to do it on a daily basis. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you over in the next video.